Welcome to our travel alphabet, where we'll take you on a journey from A to Z, exploring some of the most exciting and interesting aspects of travel. A is for adventure. Adventure. Traveling can be an incredible adventure, whether you're exploring a new city, hiking a mountain, or trying new foods and experiences. B is for beaches. Beaches. From the sunny shores of Hawaii to the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean, beaches are a popular destination for many travelers. C is for culture. Culture. Experiencing different cultures can be one of the most rewarding aspects of travel, from trying new foods to exploring local customs and traditions. D is for destination. Destination. Choosing the right destination for your trip can make all the difference, whether you're looking for relaxation, adventure, or culture. E is for exploration. Exploration. Traveling allows you to explore new places, try new things, and step out of your comfort zone. F is for food. Food. Trying new foods and cuisines is a major part of many travel experiences, from street food to fine dining. G is for geography. Geography. Exploring different landscapes and geographic features, from mountains to deserts to oceans, can be a highlight of many travel experiences. H is for history. History. Learning about the history of a place, whether it's through museums, monuments, or local guides, can help you better understand and appreciate the culture and people. I is for itinerary. Itinerary. Planning your itinerary can help ensure that you make the most of your trip, from scheduling in must-see attractions to leaving time for spontaneity and relaxation. J is for journey. Journey. The journey itself can be an exciting part of travel, whether it's a road trip, train ride, or flight to a new destination. K is for kindness. Kindness. Practicing kindness towards locals and other travelers can help create a more positive and welcoming travel community. L is for landmarks. Landmarks. From the Eiffel Tower to the Great Wall of China, landmarks are popular tourist destinations that can offer unique perspectives on history and culture. M is for mountains. Mountains. Exploring mountain ranges can be a breathtaking experience, whether you're hiking, skiing, or simply enjoying the view. N is for nature. Nature. Traveling allows you to experience nature and all its beauty, from national parks to beaches to wildlife reserves. O is for off the beaten path. Offthebeatenpath. Exploring off-the-beaten path destinations can offer unique and authentic travel experiences that are often less crowded and touristy. P is for photography. Photography. Capturing memories through photography is a popular way to document travel experiences and share them with others. Q is for quiet. Quiet. Finding quiet and peaceful spots to relax and unwind can be an important aspect of travel, whether it's a secluded beach or a quiet park. R is also for road trips. Road trips. Taking a road trip is a classic way to explore a new destination, allowing you to see the sights at your own pace and make stops along the way. S is for scenery. Scenery. Beautiful scenery can be a major highlight of any travel experience, whether it's a stunning sunset or a majestic mountain view. T is for tourism. Tourism. Tourism is a major industry around the world, and visiting popular tourist destinations can offer unique experiences and opportunities to meet people from all over the world. U is for unique experiences. Uniqueexperiences. Traveling allows you to have unique experiences that you might not have in your everyday life, from trying new foods to exploring new cultures and landscapes. V is for vacation. Vacation. Taking a vacation is an important way to prioritize your mental health and well-being, allowing you to disconnect from work and everyday stressors and focus on relaxation and enjoyment. W is for Wanderlust. Wanderlust. Wanderlust is a term used to describe the strong desire to travel and explore the world, and it's a feeling that many people can relate to. X is for Xenophile. Xenophile. A xenophile is someone who loves foreign cultures and experiences, making them a perfect fit for the travel lifestyle. Y is for Youth Travel. Youthtravel. Youth travel is a popular way for young people to explore new destinations and gain new experiences, often through study abroad programs, backpacking trips, or gap years. Z is for Zip Lining. Ziplining. Zip lining is a thrilling activity that allows you to soar through the treetops and take in breathtaking views from a unique perspective. And that concludes our travel alphabet, from adventure to ziplining. We hope this has inspired you to plan your next travel adventure and explore all the amazing experiences the world has to offer. Bon voyage! If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Alpha Zone for more exciting travel content.